Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day. Ooh, a place to stay.
Witches and wizards, toads and gnolls,
Welcome to Witches and Wizards Ceremony
2012. Now, Batskoven.
a potion for pressing, donkey poop,
Fish tail,
swift brain, hedgehog claws. Recipe: first take a big cauldron, then mash 2 buckets of donkey poo into the cauldron.
then pour a spoon of sweet bread into the cauldron.
And then crush a cup of hedgehog claws and pour into the cauldron.
Then chop 2 kilos of fish tail in the cauldron.
Then boil 2 hours. Home remedies. Problem: as you are stung with stinging needles, you call the remedy. Rub sulfate into the skin where you have been stung. The pain will go away. If you want to protect yourself from lichens, use should wear bracing plants around your neck when you are out in a storm.
Problem: if you have a problem with your skin, you can go on holiday to the Dead Sea. Those every day in the sea and your skin will feel much better.
A spell for turn into a pig. All and fly, donkey and fish, turn a Maya into a little pig.
And now, open.
Potion for to become monkey. Ingredients: monkey tail, monkey tooth, monkey stick, monkey spoon. Recipe: first, put the monkey tail into a cauldron. Then chop the monkey tail and put into a cauldron. Later, put tooth and monkey tooth and put into a cauldron. Finally, boil for 10 minutes. Home remedies. Problem: if you have a problem with your skin, you can go on holiday to the deep sea. Bathe every day in the sea and your skin will feel much better. Except for disappear. Flies and bats, eyes and ears. Teacher, disappear. Now, the spider focus.
First, a potion for disappear.
Ingredients: 2 scorpion scales, a piece of soft crocodile shell, a piece of garlic, 2 buckets of rice, a dragon pea.
First, take an old cauldron. Then pour the dragon pea and start boiling. Mash the piece of garlic and add it to the cauldron. Pour the 2 buckets of brains and stir for 5 minutes. Finally, sprinkle the crocodile tail into the top. When the mixture has an acidic, drink it fine.
Home remedy. Problem: If you have a problem with your skin, you can go on holiday to the deep sea. Bathe every day and your skin will feel much better.
And finally, a spell for obtain a TV free. A dogtail and a bumblebee make a TV obtain free.
And now, toes. Pull some ball, turning into a bat. Ingredients: 5 scales of magic snake, a horn of David, a feather of white oak, a petal of killer rose, half a cup of snake venom, a pinch of wolfbat dream. Recipe: first, take a huge cauldron, then add the snake venom and simmer the head. Next, second, obtain the feather of wheat oat. Then 5 scales of magic snake and the petal of killer rose.
Add the mixture to the cauldron. Boil for 5 minutes. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of wolfbat cream. Let the potion to the cold.
Note: the bath is only for 3 hours. Home remedies: if you have a problem with your skin, you can go on holidays in the Dead Sea. Bathe every day in the sea and your skin will feel much better.
Trolls and lizards, rats and spiders, turn Marisa into a tiger. Now, rat comment. Potion for flagging. Be brain. 1. Dragon wing. Big child. And cry poo. Recipe. First, take a huge cauldron. Then, mash the pea brain. Grab the dragon wing. Chop the pig tail. And mash the fly poo. And pour into the cauldron.
Mix everything in a cup. After mash everything, put into a cauldron. Boil for 10 minutes. Home remedy. If you have a problem with your skin,
You can go on holidays with the deep sea. Bathe every day into the sea and your skin will feel much.
Step 4. To turn a pencil slice into a tablet.
Abracadabra!
Abracadabra.
Turn a pencil case
Into a tablet.
and now we are singing a song.
tonight. Make my day. Ooh, a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. Make my day.